So our lesson plan is a collaborative effort between our Introduction to 3D Printing class and our CNC fabrication class. It's going to be a Yupik worldview wall installation that's going to involve both additive and subtractive manufacturing.
All right, and the project overview is going to be students will collaborate to design and fabricate a permanent school installation. The Yupik worldview wall, each student or pair will be responsible for a specific Yupik value. They will program a CNC router to mill a wooden base plaque featuring the Yupik words and use a CNC machine to create the English translation and a representation symbol to be securely mounted onto the wood base.
So it's going to occur in 4 phases. The first phase will be cultural selection, where we're going to review the Yupik values, and then the students will decide which particular value they want to work on. They'll select their value and brainstorm visual symbols. Phase 2 is going to be the subtractive design, which is going to use the CNC machine, where they design their base plaque using V-carve, and then they set the tool paths for the CNC router, cut out the outer shape, and engrave the Yupik and English words. Phase 3 will be the additive manufacturing with the 3D printing. The students will use Tinkercad to design their symbol models, and they will measure the CNC plaque to make sure that the 3D printed objects will fit the physical constraints. And phase 4 is going to be the fabrication and assembly part, where students actually operate the CNC machine and the 3D printers to create their symbols, put it together with the words, and then actually get it up there onto our worldview wall.